Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something exciting to unbox, a brand new Vega Edge helmet that we ordered from Amazon. As you can see, it comes in a big box, proudly displaying the Made in India label. We got it at a great price of 1,000 rupees. We've already opened the box to ensure everything is in order, so let's dive in and take a closer look. Inside, we find the helmet packed securely in a carry bag. This helmet is known for its scratch-proof design and durability, making it a great choice for riders looking for both style and safety. The quality is top-notch, and we couldn't find a better deal at this price point, but the strap is a bit shorter. It fits well and is incredibly comfortable. The helmet features the iconic Vega branding and a sleek, modern design. The visor is scratch-resistant, ensuring clear visibility while riding. What's interesting is that the helmet comes with a QR code for warranty activation, adding an extra layer of convenience for users. I opted for the L size, which fits my 60 cm head perfectly. It's important to get the right size for maximum safety and comfort. This helmet was manufactured in December 2023, so you can be sure it's a fresh, new product. It fits well and is incredibly comfortable. The windshield is excellent for keeping dust out of your eyes during off-road rides. It's scratch-proof and provides a good level of protection. The helmet also features air vents for cooling. The vents on the top and front allow air to pass through, providing a cooling effect. You can adjust these vents to open or close them, depending on the weather conditions. Overall, it's a great option, especially for hot weather rides. Thanks for tuning in to our unboxing and review of the Vega Edge helmet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.